So the total amount was 200,000, but they both had 100,000 available in their IRA. So they thought might as well just, link the accounts together. So this is basically is a $200,000. It's going to be the total amount that's going to be funded for this promissory note. Again, a promissory note is basically it's an IOU. It can be collateralized or uncollateralized. So collateralized means that there's something that's actually backing up the promissory note. So we'll think of that as like it could be title for a vehicle. It's typically going to be a property in some form, but we've seen many things over the years. So basically, if the individual defaults on that loan, then you have something to go back on if it's a collateralized loan. If it's not collateralized, that's going to be what we call an unsecured loan. So that's where you'd want to be a little bit more careful about who you're lending that money to, because unfortunately, if the person collateral there, the unsecured note, you would really want to trust that person, know that person, because they could technically run off with the money. Obviously, you could pursue further charges against that individual, but again, that's just the differentiation between collateralized and uncollateralized in this world for promissory notes. So just going back to it here, this was a collateralized transaction. So basically the total loan amount was $200,000. The term was going to be 12 months and the interest rate being paid was 12% annually. So this is between Sarah and Michael. So the total amount was 200,000, but they both had 100,000 available in their IRA. So they thought might as well just, link the accounts together. It's going to be on the same promissory note. It's just going to list two self-directed IRAs together on the same note. And they were able to make that happen. The attorney that drafted this documentation had no issue with it. So listed off both the IRAs on the transactions. So basically this came down to interest only payments with the balloon payment at maturity. And both IRAs held 50% proportional ownership in the note.